CleanAIR introduces Chemical 2F, a compact, lightweight, yet powerful powered air-purifying respirator. In combination with an appropriate head top, offers the highest respiratory protection. The package includes a powered air-purifying respirator, particle filters, filter caps with spark arrestor, belt, accumulator, charger, airflow meter, and user manual. The contents of the package may change according to the specifications. Putting on the belt and harness. Align the unit correctly with the belt and extend the part down. Thread the belt strap through the holes in the unit and the belt in the correct order, as shown in the video. Finally, thread the strap into the plastic clip and tighten it. To fit the harness, you will need a screwdriver to loosen the screws and replace them with longer screws. First, screw the plastic part of the harness. Use the included longer screws. Remove one buckle of the PVC belt. Thread the belt through the harness loop. Then, thread the belt through the holes in the unit. Thread the belt through the other harness loop. Finally, return the buckle to the PVC belt. Filter replacement and filter variants. The unique automatic closing system prevents unwanted contamination while the filters are being changed. You simply screw the filters onto the unit. If you will be using a unit for the welding, put on filter caps with spark arrestor. Always change filters outside the contaminated zone. You can find the complete range of filters in the filter guide brochure. In case of decontamination, use rubber filter caps. If you are not going to use the filter, store it with the caps on both sides. Inserting and removing the accumulator, variants of accumulators. You can choose from a standard battery or a heavy-duty battery with increased capacity for up to 20 hours of operation. CleanAIR also offers a non-rechargeable one-time use battery with guaranteed 10 years of storage time, or an adapter for operation directly from a power outlet and battery with a connector for RDD connection. Unlock the lock and remove the battery from the unit. To charge, plug the connector into the battery and insert the charger into the socket. Charging is complete when the red light goes out. Connecting the unit to the head top. Connect the hose using the thread on one side of the hose. Connect the other side of the hose with the quick lock connector by clicking on the head top. Switching on the unit, setting and signaling the display. You control the unit using two buttons on the side of the unit. Long press one of the buttons to turn the unit on and off. In the basic view, you regulate the airflow with the plus or minus buttons. At the same time, the current pollution of the filters and the battery status are displayed. To enter the menu, press the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Press the plus button to change the settings of the item. Press the minus button to jump to the next menu item. Hold down the minus button for 2 seconds to jump to the previous item. In the standard section, you set the head top or suit that will be connected to the unit. In the filter section, you set the currently used filter type on the unit. By setting these parameters, the unit will automatically adjust the airflow. In the filter timer, you set the life of the filter and the unit monitors your timely replacement. When replacing new filters, you only reset the filter timer. In the language settings, you choose the language you want. The Display View menu allows setting the display of complete information about the selected head top, filter and current airflow, battery status, and filter life, or only information about the value of airflow, battery status, and filter life. The unit can also be reset to factory settings in Settings. Diagnostics is intended for unit service. Press both buttons for 2 seconds to save the settings and leave the menu. If you're not pressing anything for 5 seconds, do the same. Other settings can be found in the user manual. Decontamination of the unit. The thought-out design with a smooth surface allows easy decontamination by the shower or even full immersion. Chemical 2F meets the standard IP641 shower decontamination. Full protection from splash of liquids from any angle. IP652 shower decontamination. Full protection from water jets from any angle. The unit can be turned on, fitted with CleanAIR filters. The unit also meets the standard IP683 immersion disinfection, full protection from continuous submersion in water or disinfection solution when the system is off and fitted with decontamination plugs. Bluetooth and CleanAIR app. Pairing the unit and Android phone is only possible with a unit with Bluetooth support. Find the CleanAIR user app in the Google Play Store and download it to your smart device. Pair the unit with your phone via the app's instructions. Using the app, you can easily set up the unit and have an overview of the operating time and the current life of the filters. Through the app, multiple units can be managed at the same time, which makes it easier for service technicians to have an overview. Protective cover. To protect the unit from dirt, use a protective cover, suitable for painting and other activities with a risk of soiling. First, remove the filters from the unit. Place the protective cover on the unit, correctly on the hose opening and the display window. After putting on the protective cover, screw the filters through the holes. Airflow meter. Screw the airflow meter onto the unit and switched it on. The flow rate is sufficient if the cone is in the green zone. If the cone is in the red area, try to replace the filters with new ones. If the airflow is still not sufficient, contact your service center. Additional accessories and features. CleanAIR offers multiple harnesses, belts, and other accessories for the unit. Visit our website for more information. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.